My first 2-minute conviction for 2024 is only solve the problems that are rightfully yours. As leaders, our one-line job description is problem solver. Unmet expectations somewhere in the organizations that we're serving. It doesn't matter how many strategy meetings you walk into, or board discussions, or hallway conversations, or mentoring sessions, you are being asked to solve problems all the time. And the reality is not all of them are yours to solve. I love to drill down when I'm presented with challenges and problems. I love to drill down and ask exactly what is the actual problem that we are being asked to add value to. Number 2, why is that a problem? We need clarity over what the impacts, what the triggers, what the consequences of this problem are. And most importantly, number 3, whose problem is this really? To whom does this present as a problem? And more than half of the time I find it's not even my problem to solve. It's not even a problem for me, impacting me. It's a problem impacting somebody else within my team architecture. And so the last thing I need to do is take on someone else's problem. I can encourage, I can cheerlead, I can facilitate process for which they need to solve their own problems. And in all of that, I'm facilitating for them growth, maturity, and the ability to ask the same 3 questions when they're asked to solve problems for members of their own sub-team. So there's my 2-minute conviction. Only solve the problems that are yours to own in 2024. Have a great week.